Hi again everyone. JaLingo's phrase of the week is white liver. White liver refers to people, normally a female, with an insatiable sexual appetite. Other meanings for this phrase are a highly sexually charged female, a nymphomaniac, and a female that likes to have a lot of sexual intercourse. You may hear the term white liver being used in a situation such as this. I tried to put some work for my girl last night, but it come like she have white liver. This actually means I tried to put some extra effort in bed last night with my girlfriend, but it seems like she wanted more sex. A second example for the term, I hope you can manage the girl there. Me hear say she have white liver. This means I hope you can manage that girl sexually. I heard she likes to have a lot of sex. Related words are nympho and horny. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.